What's up, guys? Today we're here in Woodburn, Indiana, and I've got Jason from Bridge Trailers. Jason, thanks for having us out.
Yeah.
And what I want to do today is talk about one of his favorite trailers, and we let him pick. He picked the PX212. So why did you pick the PX212 for us to talk about today?
Well, our mid to large size contractors prefer this trailer because you can pull it with a mid to large size dump truck.
Okay.
Also put it behind a standard pickup truck without having to have a gooseneck hitch. So if you have a fleet, a lot of guys like to pull with the Pintle.
Yeah.
You can put it behind just about any truck.
Okay.
So that's what they really like about it. Obviously, you've got your Pintle set up here. The reason they really like the look of this PX is the 16-inch engineered I-beam frame. This thing is a beast compared to everybody else's 12-inch. Obviously, they've got the HDV box up front here for more storage. Behind that, they do have a chain tray for extra storage. Behind here is where we store our spare tire mount handle. And if you go over here, this is something unique to Diamond C. This drops down your spare tire just like your car. Just run that down. Nice and easy, don't have to pick it up off the tongue, just drag it out from underneath.
Absolutely.
Another feature that I like, you've got your stowaway side steps. Nice and easy, makes it easy to get up on the deck, tie down your equipment, hop back down, stow them away. That way they don't drag going in and out of ditches and rip them off.
Yeah, because if it's not stowed away, it gets bent.
It gets bent for sure. This particular trailer and this feature is one that we really like to sell our customers on, is the hutch suspension. It's kind of an overkill suspension for the weight of the trailer. You can never have too much suspension, in our opinion. Saves you a lot of money in the long run on repairs.
And just in case they overload it
And just in case they overload it,
Not
it's
that they would.
$30K. So, that's always nice. Obviously, we've got the 14-ply tires. The Valcrum hubcaps are a nice option. So we step back here. Obviously, the max ramps are very popular with our customers. To be frank, they're idiot proof.
Okay.
You can't break them. Nice and simple. Not too hard to pick up. Pick them up. You can either stow them down like this. Diamond C's clamps here so that they don't shake around and drive you crazy. We'll walk back here. Obviously, you can stow them in the up position. If you have something that's a little bit over length, you can stow both ramps up. So the bars for that are stored underneath. Over here on the side to keep them out of your way and so you don't lose them. Another great feature that Diamond C offers is the flashing safety light. If you're parked alongside the road, construction guys like that. Keeps you from getting hit alongside the road.
That's awesome. Well, hey, I appreciate the walk around. I appreciate you talking to me through your favorite things. And if you're looking for a trailer in the northern Indiana area, please come see my friends here at Bridge Trailers.